Hey guys, so in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I get these beautiful gel nails at home. So the first thing that I'm going to do is remove my old gels. These are actually chrome. And the first thing you're going to do is prepare all of your things. So I'm going to be taking pure acetone, cotton rounds, and nail clips. Okay, so before you do that, you want to file down all of your nails just so that the acetone can soak in a little bit better and it's a lot easier for the gel to come off. As you guys are going to see when I am removing it, it's a little bit hard. I don't know why, but I forgot this step. Don't hate, appreciate. I like to take this glass bowl and then I pour my acetone in here. It just makes it a lot easier for me to dip the cotton rounds in here. And it's also not as messy. Well, I just like to soak my cotton round and then I place it over my nail, take my nail clip, and you want to do that to all of your nails and let that sit for about 10 to 15 minutes. When you're doing this step, make sure that you are not doing it on any tables, wooden tables, whatever it may be, because it definitely will stain. So make sure you're laying down a lot of towels or whatever you have. Alright, so now I'm just going to start removing my nail clips and I'm going to start the removal process. So I'm just taking this, I think it's called a cuticle pusher, and I know it looks a little rough, but it actually came off a lot easier considering I forgot the most important step. So it should be a lot easier to take off. Obviously, like I mentioned, I forgot that step, but it should almost feel like jelly. And for the little corner pieces that are stuck on there, I just like to take this file and file down a little bit. Okay, so once I'm done removing all the old gel, I like to take this file. It's a medium file, and I'm just gonna start shaping my nails. Once I'm done shaping my nails, I'm going to take this buffer cube and it has a bit of grit to it. It's for medium to fine nails, but my nails are pretty strong. And I'm just going to take it and I'm just going to start buffing the top of my nail just to make it smooth and make sure that there's no old gel left on there. I'm going to take this liquid cuticle remover from Sally Hansen. This stuff is literally a game changer for cuticles. I would highly recommend getting this. So you just apply it to your cuticles, leave it on for 15 seconds, and you can feel it softening up and it makes the removal a lot easier. And you can kind of feel it like tickling. And then I take my cuticle remover and I just start going in. Alrighty, so now I'm going to be taking this fine buffer cube and I'm just going to start buffing my nails. This is just going to add a little bit of texture and it makes your nails so soft. I made sure to wash my hands before I did this just to make sure to get rid of all of the oils. Now I'm just going to start pushing back my cuticles. Right, so now I'm going to be taking these lint-free nail wipes. I feel like these are essential when it comes to doing gel nails because you will get fuzz stuck around your nails anywhere. Literally, you will find them. So these help because they are lint-free, and I just take some rubbing alcohol and I start to wipe down all of my nails to make sure that there is no leftover oils or lint. Taking my gelish foundation, this is a base coat. It is absolutely essential when doing gel nails. You need any base coat. I've tried a lot, but this one has honestly just worked the best. And now I'm just going to start applying that to my nails. As you guys can see, I don't initially start off by getting too close to my cuticles. I start off slowly and I get a little closer as I'm working, and I make sure to apply an evenly thin layer to my nails, and do not forget to cap them. Okay, so I'm going to cure my thumbnails now. I like to do my thumbs separately. It's just a lot more comfortable for me. And I'm taking this LED light from Amazon. It works amazingly. It does have an option for 30 seconds and 60 seconds. And I just like to leave it under for 30 seconds. And now I start working on the rest of my nails. Now I'm going to be taking my white ASP gel polish. I picked this up at Sally's, and I'm going to be applying a thin, even layer around my nails. And then I'm going to cap it and then cure. If you get it on your skin, it is okay. Just make sure to wipe off anything that's on the skin before curing. Now continue doing the rest of your nails and follow the exact same steps. I like going in with a third layer, so that's what I'm doing here, and I'm just doing this because you can still kind of see my nail underneath. Taking my gel Len top coat, I'm just going to seal my nails and then I'm going to cure. Last step, I'm going to be taking this no lint wipe and my rubbing alcohol, and I'm just going to wipe down all of my nails because the gel polish does leave like a sticky residue on your nails, so this will just remove that, and then you are all done. That is it for this at-home gel manicure tutorial. If you guys did enjoy, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see other looks, please let me know down in the comments. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!